you can see the pittons. So every pitton, जहाँ पे आपको पिटन मिलेगा, whenever you see the extra loop, what you have to change first? You have to change your first. इसके बाद change your zoomer. Take one round, come back here, जहाँ पे last पिटन दिख रहा है, right? वहाँ पे what you have to do? You have to now self anchor उस side में रखना है. We'll show you the demonstration also. लेकिन मैं पहले मोटा बता रहा हूँ. वहाँ पे you have to change. You have to like self anchor आपको उसी तरफ होना है. And then before you rappel down, we will give you thoughts. So when you rappel down, there is no safety, right? So what you have to do, you have to use pushing. अभी कैसा नहीं पता है? 3 rounds pushing. So that will be your anchor, self anchor. So push it, you have to hold in your guiding hand and the braking hand shows up and then you have to slide down. Unless something goes wrong, the push it will hold your fall. Push it will arrest your fall. Understood? So the device is Zoomer. Right hand left hand. And now Sushi, Walter Marty, the Swiss, they were not mountaineers. They developed this Zoomer. अब ये तो evolution में बता रहा हूँ कि evolution हुआ था बाद में. Like this was designed बाद में 1958 और 68 के बीच में. Fernand Petzl का नाम सुना है? Fernand Petzl, French, right? उन्होंने डिजाइन किया था ये. This is ascender. This is not a descender. This is descender. So with the help of this device, we can climb up, but we cannot climb down because of the teeth. इसका teeth के बारे में. The teeth दिखाई दे रहा है? ये अंदर इसका teeth है. So like expedition में आप चलाते रहते हो, how many times you use, you have to keep checking the sharpness of the teeth as well. अगर आपका ये the teeth of the ये sharpness of the teeth goes blunt, ये क्या हो जाएगा फिर? It will come down. So it will be very difficult for you to go up with the help of the device. Right? Understood? The parts of the is just a rubber handle. This is the head of the Zoomer. This is the head of the Zoomer. This is carabiner hole. This is carabiner hole. These are also called eyes. These are also called eyes. And then this is trigger or locking gate. So that we are using 3 kinds of Zoomer. This got different triggers. Triggers different है. एक का किसी को नीचे उतारना पीछे करना पड़ता है, किसी को प्रेस करना पड़ता है, किसी को नीचे की तरफ लेके जाना है. Right? हम we are using 3 kinds of Zoomer here. So you have to make sure that you have to make sure you can like keep the Zoomer into the rope and then you can unzip as well. So you have to change the Zoomer on every piton. So make sure that आपको इसको कैसे निकालना है and then how to lock it down के ही. You have to practice that as well. Understood? This is like the weight is only 160 grams, and then it can you can use this Zoomer. The rope, the diameter of the rope is between 8 to 13 mm on any rope. On any rope, I mean static rope, dynamic rope, and the nylon. You must have heard about polypropylene rope as well. Polypropylene rope. सुना है थोड़ा बेसिक में. तो the rope, the plastic rope, जो हम घर में कपड़े सुखाने के लिए टांगते हैं, प्लास्टिक वाला रोप, वो रोप कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं? We also use the same rope where जहाँ पे ज़्यादा खतरा ना हो, वहाँ पे जहाँ पे खतरा ना हो, मतलब where you can only clip your carabiner to make secure yourself. और आप कहीं पे ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, आप एक्सपोज एरिया में चल रहे हो, तो आपको खतरा लगा थोड़ा सा मतलब कितना चांसेस नहीं है वहाँ पे what we do, we just clip our carabiners into the fixed line, right? So that is polypropylene rope. तो polypropylene rope में हम polypropylene rope जहाँ यूज करते हैं जहाँ पे आपको झूमर ज़्यादा करना ना पड़े. अगर आपने 7000 ऊपर जहाँ पे आपको झूमर ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा, if you fix the same rope, polypropylene rope, तो 10 आदमी एक बार इससे 30 से क्लाइंबिंग करेंगे, what will happen? Rope won't break, लेकिन उसका पूरा layers निकल जाएगा बाहर, ये अंश उसका बाहर निकल जाएगा, right? So it will be very difficult. So that's why we use other kinds of rope. So we can withstand the fall, we can withstand the weight of more members. So how to attach this zoomer onto your body. Harness हो गया. बेसिक में आपने कैसा सीखा? Sling, with the help of sling, right? पहले यही दिखा दूं. This equal screw. Put one more round, and then thumb knot. पता है ना? I'm just like revision कर रहा हूँ मैं. Thumb knot. अभी यहाँ पे I have to fix my zoomer. तो कौन से रोप में I have to fix? कौन से रोप में I have to fix? कौन से रोप में I have to fix? Not the right, not the left. जो पीछे वाला नॉट है, उसमें you have to fix the zoomer. अगर आप आगे वाले नॉट में zoomer लगाओगे, तो ये स्ट्रेच होता रहेगा और zoomer का लेंथ बढ़ता जाएगा. And then it will go out of reach sometimes. So make sure जो आपका गाइडमैन लगा है यहाँ पे, जो आपने गाइडमैन लगा है, ये पीछे वाला the first वाला नॉट में you fixed your zoomer. Understood? I am using, this is my dynamic rope. This is dynamic rope, right? So I'll take this rope and later I just put a thumb knot here on it. ठीक है? उसके बाद बाहर की तरफ से one, two, right? And then see thumb knot there. You have to follow parallelly, and then one more safety knot. This side, right? And then the other side, what I have to make? Self anchor. This means just what you can do, figure of 8, and then plain carabiner. 8 plain carabiner आप इसमें self anchor में most of the time हम क्या यूज करते हैं इसमें? Plain carabiner. Screw gate carabiner जरूरत नहीं है. Why? Because you have to keep changing on every beetle, and then you have to keep it like 1, 3 days. अगर आप mountain में जाओगे, sometimes the weather might be worse. Walking around the carabiners all the time, which is very difficult. So that time what we use, that's why we use plain carabiner. तो self anchor जब भी आपको बनाना पड़े, try using the plain carabiner, not the other one, the great gate carabiner. Okay? And it's not that easy, like easily comes out of the rope. It's not that until really after weight for it and then it gets dragged to the on the rock. But just the weight again my point. So understood ये वाला first, ये वाला we taught the same thing in basic. यही वाला revision. We'll be doing the same thing also. ये हो गया. And then अभी the next, since you are in the advanced course, अभी थोड़ा advanced technique बनता है. So this is, the device is called lanyard. ये वाला. This is called lanyard. 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 Okay. ये हम mostly search industry में use करते हैं. But like zoomer climbing, it's very helpful. It's very helpful. What you have to do? इसमें आप देख लो. I have like already fixed one zoomer here. ये खुलता है, ये खुलता है, ये खुलता है. Okay. यहाँ पे जगह है. Just clip this into the carabiner, and then you can always adjust the length of the lanyard, and then it's already there's one like other loop for your self anchor. ये हो गया. Here what you can do, you can always adjust the length. If you want a little longer, right? और लंबा चाहिए मेरे को. लंबा हो गया मेरे को नहीं. I have to like make it smaller. So this device, the rope is called lanyard, Lanyard. It's very easy. You don't have to like यहाँ से देखो मेरा लंबा हो गया, खुलना पड़ेगा, ये सब खोल के इधर उधर करने का जरूरत नहीं है. These are the some advanced equipment, lanyard. Understood? समझ में आ गया? So now अभी लाखवा में हम आपको डेमो देंगे. ये हो गया. So now any doubts, any questions as far as the zoomer is concerned? No. What you can do, you can going like 2 rounds here, but this is more safer. It won't come out easily. It won't come out easily. लेकिन shortcut is like it's very easy. अगर आप यहाँ पे की तरफ एक दोगे, तो कैराबिन में डालोगे, that can be done. लेकिन by chance कैराबिन खुल गया, हमने like पूरा पर निकल गया, तो फिर nothing will be done.